दिखाई जा रहे हैं।
Deputy Chief Minister Prestone Tynsong today formally launched the waste collection vehicle of the Lawjynriew Dorbar Shnong funded under the Chief Minister's Special Rural Development Fund. Tynsong launched the waste collection vehicle, which was purchased at a cost of Rs 12.81 lakh in the presence of Nong Thamai MDC Latiplang Kharkongor, NPP candidate from Nong Thamai constituency, Jasmine Lingdo, Rangba Shnong of Lawjynriew SB Kharshandi, among others. On the occasion, Rangba Shnong of Lawjynriew also submitted a memorandum to the Deputy Chief Minister for allocation of funds to complete the construction of the community hall of the Dorbar Shnong, besides development of other infrastructures of the locality. Speaking on the occasion, Tynsong said that the launching of this vehicle will help the collection of waste from the various households in the locality. He also assured that the state government will sanction an amount of Rs 15 lakh to complete the construction of the community hall.
Lengkap ni Trelang bat Kabur district administration bat kitnap prepare jong sorkar na tentu ya kita Shnong Barok dong ini rak ya nam jong jela ke jemi Shnong ke jemi bat kajan Lawjynriew jemi Barok kita ini kedin kiat nai sistem kaji pitbok kita yang ya komisi Shnong Barok oi bat kunjuru ya pi kita Shnong Barok ai boleh untuk kukerai ya kalau dia jom